went on well. I mean, this is an elaborate one. It's like inaugurating the fellowship, admitting the new members, see, because they are new. So it has to be inaugurated first, then the new members come. So it's a lengthy one. So then we do the installation itself. So that's how it went. So it's showing them the processes. And they are new to it, so we took our time and patience to take them through. So it went well too. So we are grateful to the Lord. I think we have processes in place. Initially, before today, we've been meeting with them. So we have our organizers who on a day-to-day basis come to them, sit in their meetings, tell them exactly what they need. So if you can see, some of the retailers were saying that things that they've been taught already. So some of the things we've taught them outside. So today is the outdooring, yes. And then from here will be part of their meetings too, the organizers especially. The presidents will pay occasional visits. And they too will join the Diocesan Council. So there will be 3 members, 2 members or 4 minimum, but 2 at every meeting. So they also learn with the Diocesan Council, and then at their place they will also be looking at observing and then asking questions where necessary. So that will lead to their growth. So when they come back, they come with their activities and feedback to them. So they will be not left alone. We will cater for them all along. I think they've been challenged to look at the signage. People coming here face a lot of challenges because the signboard was defaced. They are young, their finances too are not so sound. So we say that they should do the signage first. But as a fellowship, we also have ways we help our baby chapters. We have what we call a joint diocesan parish fundraising, where they'll raise the funds and they'll keep 75% and give us only 25%. So we'll look at the calendar and see where we can feed them in to be able to raise funds, and then they can grow and start working. No, my message in the chapter is that, I mean, they've joined, the vigor is there. They should continue that spirit, and they should participate in all events. Like today is their 10. Tomorrow they will hear that it's another chapter's 10. They should be always present. And when you do that, you learn and you understudy people. So you can't learn by just sitting at one place, but you learn by observing other people doing it. So when they do it right, and I believe their membership, they have lots of membership. With that one, I believe they can also